I rented a 2018 Leisure Travel Unity MB, and the MB stands for Murphy bed, and I'm fixing to take you on a tour. As I go inside here, as you can see, there's one recliner chair, and then there's another one. It's got a little eating table there. Inside, the steering is it's got really easy steering. I've had a Suburban for years, and it as easy as that. It's got cup holders where I can put my smartphone. It's got a USB port over here where I can hook it up to the phone. Then I've got storage here, got storage over here, and even down to the doors. There's storage down in there on both sides. And it's got a navigation system, radio. You can plug you can connect your smartphone to it and play your songs. Only thing I would like for it to have is Sirius radio. Doesn't have that, but I'm sure you can add it to it if you wanted to. And then on this wall back here is where the bed is. I put on that strap right there, and I'll show you how it comes down and makes into a bed in just a moment. And then as I go back over here toward the door, you see it has a pop-up TV. And that TV will go down, and then you can watch it even below it. And so now you got a work area that I use to, put my laptop. And then you got the little kitchen area with a sink and a 2-burner stove. You'll see some of my dishes here. It's got a big sink in it, and it's got windows that will open, and you can turn on the ceiling fan here. It'll open up and suck air right into the RV. And then there's also windows over here that you can do the same thing with. And this cabinet space is really unbelievable to me. Of course, you're going to see all my stuff in here. But you can see that you got cabinets all in here. And then above the cab, you've got a pretty deep place to, add more stuff. There's another cabinet here, and even back over in this section. So, having looked at over 100, RVs, some people build them, some people buy them brand new. This one has got by far more of the amenities that I like. That black one right there is a USB port, and then you've got your 110 volts, and those 110 volts are made hot by this inverter over here. It's got solar panels on top, or I can use the generator. And then here's a sensor. I push the button here, shows you I got 12.8 volts on fresh water. I'm at 100%. Gray water, I'm at 0, and black, I'm at 0, and LPG, I'm at 37%. And then for hot water, I can turn this knob on to this position to get hot water. and then it has stabilizers, and the slide goes in and out, and then these are the buttons for your fresh gray and black tank system. It's got even a cabinet on the side here. This is where I store my backpack, in fact. And then it's got another door around here where I keep my shoes. You can sit here in the recliner and just look at what Mother Nature's done. This little table, let me kind of go through the process of how to make this Murphy bed. And I'm gonna put that table down. Let me push this button right here where it says slide in and slide out. I'm gonna go out. See if you can hear it here. And the wall is extending toward the outside now. Oh, okay, it's through. So what I do is I take these headrests off, stick them in the back, put this backrest over there, lower that one, again put this one in the back, put the backrest to the side. That comes down, and then I grab the handle up here. Whoops, let me get these. There's a latch here and another one right here that I turn. Keeps it up, and then I grab the strap and pull it down. And it has these clips that I use to hold the bottom part up like that and lower the bottom section. And there is a queen size bed. It is really, really soft and comfortable. There's a hump in there. There's one pillow I left in there. So, and it's got a wind up there that I have lowered the shade for right now. And here's the pantry. It's got what, 5 shelves in there. And right beside it you got the freezer, and then you got the refrigerator. And for me, by myself, it will hold 2 weeks worth of food. Okay, the next thing is the eating area. I can put that one little table up. And these seats will swivel. So I'll move this one around to face that little table, and then I'll move this one around, and you can stop them anywhere you want to along the edge as you're turning them. They'll kind of lock in place. And another cool thing, there is a USB port right there on the side of that chair, and then it has these switch right here that turns these lights on above the Murphy bed, and it's a dimmer switch. Now you have the mirror here that has a little latch on it. Undo that latch, and look at the size of this table. Isn't that beautiful? So now, if I want to put my laptop on there, I can connect it to the 110 volt, or I can connect it to the USB port over here. And back here in the kitchen, we've got the counter space, the sink, pretty big deep sink. My dirty dishes in there. And then you've got the retractable window. And then storage wise, this thing goes all the way underneath that sink there. Then you've got more storage down in here. And these drawers open all the way. Nothing part is hidden. So you got one drawer here, another one, a third one, and a fourth one that extend all the way out. These are all solid wood. It's not particle board. And then the refrigerator and the microwave. Now you can turn the inverter on and all the ports, electrical outlets will be working. The only thing you need a generator for really is to power the microwave. And normally, microwave stays on maybe a minute or two, so I don't need the generator very much. All right, back into the bathroom. So look how big this shower is. You got a regular commode, and you've got storage right above the commode where you can keep the toilet paper and air freshener, paper towels. And you've got another fan in here that you can turn on that are rain sensitive, where they will close and turn off if it starts raining. And then in the door here has just about like a full-length mirror. You can unhitch the door there and slide it and have privacy in the bathroom. Here I am. All right. I do have to remember to latch this thing before I start off. Then on the shower, you got sliding doors to the side, and then you can, I'm 6 foot, and I got another foot above me to go on that skylight. And I've been in here once so far, and there's plenty of room. Don't feel, too tight in there. And then even over here in the sink area, I use the sink, put my head underneath there to wet my hair in the mornings. I can get my head underneath that thing. And then you got the mirror above it, and inside are 3 shelves for a medicine cabinet. Medicine. All your sundries. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. And then to the left of it, you've got a door that opens, and I've got a file box in there. I've got two more backpacks, and it is cool. It's got an automatic light, comes on when you open the door. And it's got 2 switches here, one for the overhead. There's one. This other switch, let me show you in the shower. Look at that. Isn't that a Las Vegas style shower? Pretty cool. And then over beside the switches, I got a door that, these two doors open. You got plenty of hanging room. Again, you got another light that comes on automatically when you open the right door. Then you got more storage under here. This thing goes all the way back in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I got my hand all the way to the back, and it's all the way almost to my shoulder here. So pretty deep. And then you've got two big drawers here. And again, these are all solid wood, and they all come out to the full length of the drawer. So that's the interior of the Leisure Travel Van 2018. It's a Unity with a Murphy bed.